Must-know words for EIKEN 5. Common nouns, people, places, things. Father, your turn. Mother, your turn. Teacher, your turn. Student, your turn. School, your turn. Home, your turn. Park, your turn. Store, your turn. Book, your turn. Pen, your turn. Bag, your turn. Chair, your turn. Common verbs, action words. Go, I go to school. Your turn. Come, come here. Your turn. Eat, I eat rice. Your turn. Drink, I drink water. Your turn. Play, I play soccer. Your turn. Read, I read a book. Your turn. See, I see a whale. Your turn. Write, I can write my name. Your turn. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Who is your teacher? Your turn. What's your favorite food? Your turn. Where do you live? Your turn. When do you wake up? Your turn. Why do you like English? Your turn. How do you go to school? Your turn. Keep practicing. 頑張ってくださいね。